In today's lesson, we're going to work in the paragraph section of our home ribbon. We're going to start with our alignment buttons. And as you can see, our left alignment button is selected. It's the normal default. What that means is all of our font, our text here, is going to start on the left margin. And so you can see that straight line right down the left margin. Since I already have my text typed in, I need to select my text so that I can change the alignment for all of the text. The button to the right of the left alignment is the center alignment button. So when I click that, it centers each one of the lines on my page. And so you can see there, especially in the shorter lines, how they are centered on the page and not on the left or the right margin. To switch to the right margin, I just click the right alignment button here, and that's to the right of the center button. And you're going to see that we have that edge going down the right-hand side of our document, and so that is what the right alignment button does. It aligns everything to the right side. To the right of our right alignment button is the justified button, and that is going to make each line the same length that goes all the way to the edge of the document. The shorter lines, that's not going to work on, but the lines that go all the way to the edge, you can see that the right and the left margins are nice and straight, so it gives you a nice clean look to your document if you use the justified button. To the right of the alignment buttons is the line spacing button, and you can see that I have it set on, a single space, and to space it out a little more, I can come down to maybe 2 spaces, which is called a double space. What that does is create a blank line in between each of my text lines. We can also remove or add space, which you always need to remove the space after paragraph when we're typing an original document, so that it takes that space out. Now we can also click the little paragraph button here and come in down in the paragraph dialog box to the spacing section, and we can either change our spacing here by changing it to single spaced, which I had that one selected, and we can also come in here and we can create spaces before and after paragraphs. If you want single spacing but you want to space after the paragraph, we can change that, and so therefore I now have a space after the paragraph. Where that one was single spaced, I created space after it. So those are some ways that we can create alignments and line spacing and removing and adding spaces after a paragraph.